What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. If you've recently updated to iOS 17 and noticed the App Store icon is missing from your iPhone 15, 14, 13, and 12 Pro Max, you're not alone. This guide will walk you through the simple solutions to help you restore the App Store to your home screen or app library. As you can see in the video, the App Store is already on the home screen, but still, I can guide you on how to show it. So let's begin. First, locate the Settings app. Now, after locating the Settings app, tap on it to open. In the Settings app, scroll down until you locate the General Settings tab. In the General Settings tab, tap on it. Scroll down until you locate the Transfer or Reset iPhone tab. After locating the Transfer or Reset iPhone tab, tap on it. While you are there, tap on the Reset button at the bottom of the screen. Now, as you can see, the choices for Reset appear. Since we're here to get the App Store back on iPhone, tap on Reset Home Screen Layout. If the passcode is still active, does those. After you enter the passcode, the confirmation appears at the bottom. Now just tap Reset Home Screen to reset the home screen layout. If you follow the steps, you should be able to restore the missing App Store icon on your iPhone. Start by using Spotlight Search, then reset your home screen layout, and finally address any potential errors by restarting and updating your device. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.